York just got so many skyscrapers. I say New York is the granddaddy of all the cities in the whole United States. Not only is it the granddaddy, it's the father, the mother. This is going to be for a future video. Yeah, I said future. Sailing away on the breakaway. Norwegian breakaway. See how far back I am? You don't need to get up that close. Look at it. This is my other tablet. Our fire tablet. Oh, look at this. The Staten Island Ferry. Oh, wait. Is that the Staten Island Ferry? Is the Statue of Liberty on the other side of me? No, I don't see it. Probably over there. Well, there is a bridge down there.